Hey there, it's Jenny. Let's go ahead and plan this week. I'm using my A5 Hobonichi planner, and I'm going to use the Elegance Blooms collection from Coco Daisy, and that's where this washi tape is from. Sorry if it's blurry. My camera doesn't always love to focus on the things. So I'm going to be using two of the sticker kits, and they're just so super cute. I love them. And I'm using the classic sticker kit and the add-on sticker kit, and they're both just absolutely adorable. I will start by putting the washi tape across the top. This is one of my favorite things, and I'm going to tell you why. I love it because for many years I didn't use washi at all. I had tons of it. I had been collecting it for years, but using it was difficult, I guess. Like I didn't know how to incorporate it into my designs, and now I use it daily. And it feels so good to finally have figured out ways to use washi, which is so cool. And I absolutely love that. I am going to swatch out these new Aloha Star um, highlighters that I got because they're really, really pretty. And I like that they're a really pale pastel color palette. And so even more so than the Mildliners, really, like they're just all sort of very, very pastel and muted. And so I love that because I have really searched for some of these colors for a long time. The tip is kind of weird, and obviously these are square pens, and so that they're a little bit difficult to hold, but it's cool. Now I'm searching through all of my Mildliners because I'm trying to figure out what I want to use for the alternating color, and I'm trying to match from the colors of the kit. There's lots of beautiful ones, and I could have gone a couple of different ways, but I decided to try this blue. In the end, I'm afraid it might be slightly garish, or maybe that was just how it photographed. I don't know. But hopefully, in the end, when the week is all filled in, I will like it just fine. Sometimes I figure that's sort of the litmus test, is to see, like, once it's all done, it's all filled in, and the week is completed, how I feel about it. So now, after I draw the boxes in the two separate spots, I go back and I add these dashed lines. You've seen me, if you've watched a plan with me before, you have seen me do this with a ruler. Sometimes I do it with a ruler, sometimes I just do it by hand. There's no real rhyme or reason to the way that I do it. It just depends on how I am feeling that day. I normally have been, for the past however many months, I have been alternating drawing boxes and using box stickers, but it gets difficult, to be honest with you, because it's a lot of box stickers. As you can see, there's 14 total boxes, and so then that's basically 7 boxes. And for example, I don't like with this kit, I don't have 7 boxes that match what I need, right? So then I'd have to go to my stash or something like that, and I don't want to do that. All right, so I'm adding my first little bit of decor, and so I'm adding a full box, and I needed to trim that a little bit because it doesn't fit there. And then I'm also layering on top of it a one of those quote stickers, the clear quotes. I don't love clear stickers, like it's not like my favorite thing, but some of these are sometimes so pretty I can hardly handle it. Now the cluster down in the lower left-hand column, I am adding the sticker that I'm using for meal planning and layering that with a full box sticker, then one of those washi strips, and then you can see the two decorative elements. I think this cluster looks really cool. It's really full and beautiful. And then I'm going to do this last cluster down here and make it very minimal as opposed to the other one, which was kind of maximist. I don't know. Anyway, it's just the 3 little stickers right there together. And it also turned out cute. I think it's probably my favorite part of this layout, which is kind of weird because I wouldn't have thought that going into it. Now, I keep track of all of the things that are going on, like future planning on sticky notes in my daily planner. It's kind of weird. Maybe I should be doing it on my weekly. I don't know. I can't seem to come up with a great system for it. Like I used to do it on my weeklies. Now I'm doing it on my dailies. I guess it just doesn't really matter. It works out fine either way. So I'm probably stressing out too much about it. But so I'm just flipping back and forth to get the information from my daily sections. I keep track of everything here in the weeklies for a week at a glance for places that we need to go or places we need to be. And the dailies are literally just sort of brain dump. I also have the activities there as well, but brain dump things I need to remember, all that kind of stuff. So the dailies are my main focus, but this is the week at a glance and seeing all of the things in one spot. I do love using the alphabet stickers though, because I think that they really can highlight things and add a little bit of decor at the same time. I think they're cute and fun to use. And I also really love doing that and switching up the alphabet stickers. And I think you'll see what I mean here in a little bit. I also have and really enjoyed this past year. I found that I purchased them last January, the Zig Clean Color dot markers. I think we've talked about this before, but I was using bullet point stickers, and those can be a little bit tedious. I know, use the tweezers, but they can be a little bit tedious. But I like to use the markers. It's just really simple to get that bullet point, and then I have a set of 12 colors. I'll link them up in the box below, but it really, I really haven't had a problem with that. I'm usually able to find something that coordinates relatively well with that set of 12. So it's really fun. They're fun to use, and I don't love the writing tip, but again, that's just such a personal thing that it's really not, it doesn't have to be for me and it can be for you, right? All right, so I'm using the alphabet stickers again, and I am just going ahead and putting dinner, and then I'll put the details for the dinner below it. But I love that, like having two different alphabet stickers on the same layout. Like I think it looks really cool. Now, it doesn't hurt that the first one that I used to spell clean, those all ran out. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much. Make it a great day.